Seeing cockroaches around your kitchen drains or storage areas? Before reaching for an expensive commercial product, try making this simple homemade bait trap using ingredients you may already have at home. Cockroaches are attracted to food, moisture, warmth, and hidden areas, which is why kitchens, drains, cabinets, and storage spaces can become common problem areas. Today, I'll show you how to prepare a simple homemade bait mixture and turn it into a basic trap that you can place near areas where cockroach activity is most noticeable. Let's make it step by step. First, take a clean mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar works as a food-based attractant. Its sweet smell can make the bait more interesting to insects that are searching for an easy food source. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda is commonly used in homemade insect bait recipes, although its effectiveness against cockroaches can vary and it should not be considered a guaranteed cockroach killer. Now add 3 tablespoons of chili sauce. The strong smell and food-based ingredients can make the mixture more noticeable to cockroaches. However, remember that this homemade mixture is not a replacement for a registered cockroach bait or professional pest control treatment. When you have a serious infestation, next comes 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon has a strong aroma, and adding it gives the mixture another noticeable scent. It is often used in homemade pest control ideas, although it should not be treated as a scientifically proven cockroach killer. Now add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Vinegar can contribute a strong odor to the mixture, but it is important to understand that vinegar, once everything is in the bowl, mix the ingredients thoroughly until they form a consistent mixture. Now let's prepare the food base. Take a plate and use a few small pieces of bread. Fresh or slightly old bread can work as the food carrier. Break the bread into small pieces. Now spoon approximately 4 to 5 tablespoons of the prepared mixture over the bread pieces. Mix everything together carefully so the bread becomes coated with the bait mixture. The idea here is simple. The bread provides a food-based carrier, while the other ingredients create a strong-smelling homemade bait. Now set the prepared bait aside for a moment. Next, take a clean plastic bottle. Carefully remove the bottom section of the bottle so you have a small open container. Place several pieces of the prepared bait inside the bottle section. And there you have it, a simple homemade cockroach bait station. Now comes the important part, placement. Place the bait station near areas where you have actually noticed cockroach activity, such as behind appliances, near cabinets, around storage areas, or close to other common hiding spots. Avoid placing it directly where food is prepared or stored. Also, keep this mixture completely out of reach of children and pets, and do not place it where food, dishes, or kitchen utensils could come into contact with it. And remember, if you are seeing cockroaches regularly during the day, finding large numbers of them, or noticing them throughout multiple rooms, that can indicate a larger infestation. In that situation, a properly labeled commercial cockroach bait or a licensed pest control professional is a much more reliable option. For prevention, keep food sealed, clean crumbs and grease quickly, fix moisture problems, and seal cracks or gaps around pipes, walls, and cabinets. A homemade bait trap can be an inexpensive experiment for small activity, but good sanitation and eliminating food and water sources are what really help make your home less attractive to cockroaches. So if you've been noticing cockroaches around your kitchen, storage area, or other parts of your home, try identifying their hiding and travel areas first, and always use any homemade mixture safely and responsibly. And if you found this method useful, save this video and share it with someone who is dealing with unwanted cockroaches at home.